Dream big with English. Have you ever imagined talking with people from all over the world, laughing together, and sharing stories in English? Picture yourself in a big city, chatting easily with locals, or think of giving a great talk at work or having fun with new friends at a cafe, all in English. Welcome to your English dream, where speaking English opens up a world of fun and possibilities. With 40 simple tips, you'll learn how to speak English confidently. Let's start this exciting journey. 1. Practice every day. Think of your voice like a song, sing it daily to make it better. Talk to friends, family, or even yourself. Say, "Hello, how are you? I'm fine." It's easy and helps you get confident. 2. Listen to English daily. Imagine your ears catching new words like treasures. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or movies. Notice how people talk. It's like a free lesson. 3. Read English books. Picture yourself finding new words in fun stories. Start with kids' books or news. Reading out loud helps your mouth say words better. 4. Write in English. Think of writing like building a house with words. Write a diary, emails, or short stories. Use new words to make them stick in your mind. 5. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are like steps to success. Everyone makes them. Ask a friend or teacher to help you fix them. 6. Think in English. Imagine your brain using English all the time. See a chair? Think, "This is a chair." Tired? Say, "I'm tired." It makes talking easier. 7. Learn new words daily. Picture words as tools in a box. Write them in a notebook or app and use them when you talk. 8. Speak slowly and clearly. Think of talking like walking carefully. Take your time, breathe, and say words clearly so others understand. 9. Join an English class. Imagine a classroom like a team that helps you grow. Teachers and friends keep you excited and on track. 10. Make learning fun. Picture yourself singing English songs or playing word games. Fun makes learning easy and joyful. 11. Use technology. Think of apps, ChatGPT, Grok, YouTube video, or podcasts as helpers. They let you practice English anywhere, anytime. 12. Make English speaking friends. Imagine friends from other places teaching you new words and fun ways to talk. 13. Watch English news. Picture news as a way to learn serious words. Use subtitles at first, then try without them. 14. Join an English club. Think of a club as a safe place to practice with others who want to learn like you. 15. Travel to English-speaking places. Imagine being in a country where everyone speaks English. You'll use it in shops, restaurants, and streets. 16. Use flashcards. Use small cards with words and meanings. Say them out loud daily to remember better. 17. Record yourself. Think of your voice on a recording as a way to hear what's good or needs work. Ask a friend to listen. 2. 18. Copy native speakers. Imagine mimicking how native speakers sound. Watch a video and repeat their words to sound natural. 19. Read aloud. Picture your voice bringing stories to life. Read a paragraph from a book out loud to practice saying words right. 20. Practice with a partner. Think of a friend as a teammate. You talk, help each other, and have fun learning. 21. Speak in front of a mirror. Imagine the mirror showing how you talk. It helps you practice words and look confident. 22. Join online forums. Picture online groups as places to share ideas in English. Write comments and learn new words. 23. Write conversation scripts. Think of writing short talks. Like ordering food. Practice them until they feel easy. 24. Learn about other cultures. Imagine knowing fun facts about other countries. It helps you talk better in different situations. 25. Set goals. Picture goals like checkpoints. Try learning 5 words a day or talking for 15 minutes. Celebrate when you succeed. 26. Reward yourself. Think of rewards like treats for hard work. Watch a movie or eat something yummy when you hit a goal. 27. Be patient. Imagine learning like growing a plant. It takes time. Keep going. And don't worry about mistakes. 28. Use English every day. Picture English in your life. Write lists. Talk to pets. Or name things in English. It makes it feel normal. 29. Find a language exchange partner. Think of a partner who learns your language while you learn English. You both win. 30. Join online language groups. Imagine a big group of learners like you, sharing tips and practicing together. 31. Try language apps. Picture apps like HelloTalk as ways to chat with English speakers around the world. 32. Work on pronunciation. Think of tricky sounds as puzzles. Listen and practice hard words using apps or videos. 33. Learn common phrases. Imagine phrases like, "How's it going?" as shortcuts to sound natural. Learn them instead of single words. 34. Enjoy English media. Picture yourself watching movies or listening to podcasts in English. Try without subtitles for a challenge. 35. Track your progress. Think of a notebook as a map of your wins. Write down goals and celebrate how far you've come. 36. Go to English events. Imagine workshops or meetups as chances to talk with others. Look for them online or nearby. 37. Focus on fluency first. Picture talking like flowing water. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, and you'll get better. 38. Practice in real situations. Think of using English when ordering food or calling someone. Each time builds a new skill. 39. Ask native speakers for help. Imagine them as guides who show you how to improve your words and sound. 40. Stay excited and keep going. Picture learning as a long, fun trip. Stay happy, practice often, and enjoy every step. Start your English dream now. Your English dream is waiting for you. Don't wait, start today. Pick one tip, like talking with a friend, joining a club, or watching an English show. Try it now and see how fun it is to speak English. Share your story with others. Help friends learn, and keep practicing. Every word you say makes you closer to speaking confidently. Take that first step today and make your dream come true.